Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an ebook cover on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. And in the covers and headers section you can find the ebook option. Here select a template and click to the use this template button. If you want to change the picture or add a new picture, click to the photos section at the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can search images or upload from your device. If you want to change the text, click to the text box. You can delete this text or change. In the font section you can select another font type, and in the style section, for example, you can adjust the size of your text. In the object section you can find the different objects. For example, click to the ice cream and you can move, and you can edit the size and crop the picture. In the animation section you can find different animation which you can add to your project, and in the photo section, the video section, you can search videos or upload from your device. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.